The Ministry of Finance has sharply raised the basic allowance deduction that can be used next May. If a household chooses to file taxes using that deduction, it would be able to subtract 171,000 NT dollars per person from taxable income to reduce its tax bill. The ministry says that 1.77 million households will benefit from doing so, and most will be households that have many dependents.
Miss E is married without children. She, like many other Taiwanese without children, will not benefit from a new tax filing option offered by the government. On December 24th, the Ministry of Finance announced a new tax filing system. Next May, taxpayers can choose to claim a basic allowance of 171,000 NT per person instead of adding up various deductions and exemptions. Under the scheme, the bigger the household, the bigger the tax cuts.
If a household has 3 people, its basic allowance will be 3 times 171,000 NT. That amount is greater than the amount they would claim if they added up the personal exemptions and standard deductions. So this household stands to benefit from the new system. But one individual taxpayer or 2 individual taxpayers could claim bigger deductions by adding up the standard deductions and personal exemptions. So they would not benefit from the basic allowance tax break.
The new basic allowance scheme won't help households if the total sum of their individual deductions exceeds 171,000 NT multiplied by the number of family members.
Life is also quite hard for us. We have to pay rent and many other expenses. The thing is, I wish that the government could offer some breaks for us too, and not just focus on whether we have children.
An estimated 1.7 million households stand to gain from using this new tax filing option. Overall, recent reforms will give 5.42 million people a tax break in May, costing the government about 38.8 billion NT in tax revenue.